You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. If you want to learn more confusing French pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video and like the video and subscribe. Saint Mleux, French pronunciation. Saint, the T is silent in French. Saint Mleux. Yes, it's this very specific Mleux sound. Saint Mleux, some say it in English. Saint Mleux. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.